Alrighty, what is going on, guys? Day 89, coding every day until I get a job. I think today, and for like the foreseeable, I don't know, couple of days, I'm not gonna have a ton of time to stream. Which, I'm sorry, but it's starting, like finals week is next week for me. So I have a final on Monday, a presentation on Tuesday, a 15-page report on Wednesday, and then a final on Thursday. So a little bit of a hell week, but we're doing fine. We're gonna find time to stream. We're gonna find time to get our shit off. You know, have some fun. So as for today, what I will be doing is a leetcode. Maybe 2 leetcodes, to be honest. Purely because sometime next week, the news is I had an interview today from, I don't know if he's going to be watching this, but shout out Rob. A viewer, or like somebody that stopped by, set up an interview for me with his company. I had that today. It was purely behavioral. Guys were super cool. It was a fun time. It was like 30 minutes of talking about different projects, stuff like that. And I thought it went pretty well. And I have a now technical interview for that. So more LeetCode style, more like, can we figure out if this guy can program, which obviously I'd like to think I can. I'm going to try my best to prove to them that I can do the thing that I want them to hire me to do. Which means probably more LeetCode practice than like working on a project. Just to build that confidence up. Other than that, I'm still waiting to hear back from the interview that I had on Wednesday in regards to if I'll have a follow-up or if they're just gonna, not go forward with me, which either are very plausible. Do I have anything else to yap about? It's been 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Oh, shameless plug for I don't think anyone's in the stream right now, but any VOD frogs, if you're watching this on YouTube after, go like my LinkedIn post. Shameless plug. Alright, let's do this. There are several consecutive houses along a street, each of which has some money inside. There's also a robber who wants to steal money from the homes, but he refuses to steal from adjacent homes. The capability of the robber is the maximum amount of money he steals from one house of all the houses he robbed. Okay. You are given an integer array nums representing how much money is stashed in each house. More formally, the ith house has nums as dollars. Okay. You're also given an integer k representing the minimum number of houses the robber would steal from. Okay, so it's not just obviously taking the max, because you need to rob at least k houses. Okay. Turn the minimum capability of the robber out of all the possible ways. Okay. Like on first glance, this looks like dynamic programming, which if it is, I'm not going to do, purely because they said like the technical interview will be like a medium to easy, like no dynamic programming type of stuff. So can I think of a way that this is going to be not dynamic programming? Like it kind of seems like a binary search problem-ish. Since you're trying to find the min of some data set. So that, like for an interview that I have next week, like they specifically said, like it's no DP or something. So, my interviewer said that. So you could like like if you find all the capabilities, no, because if you find all capabilities, you don't need a binary search down because you could just take min. How can you do this? This kind of feels like you have to do DP. Let me check the hints, because I might just go do a different problem. Binary search to find the minimum value of a non-contiguous sequence. But how do you, like, you have to like change the window size. So like I knew it was binary search, but I still don't know how to. And the minimum value of a non-contiguous sequence of a given size k. I don't know, I think I'm just gonna focus on more easier ones. I think it's probably more worth my time, just based on the little amount of time that I have until then. I feel like I should be able to do this though, which is the frustrating part. But I'm actually not seeing anything. Oh shit, what's up, Caesar? How you doing, big dog? I'm all good. If you want one of these, by the way. Good over here. Good to hear, man. Good to hear. Alright. Yeah, I can't think of a way to do this without binary search. I mean, without. Oh, what? Okay, binary search the minimum capability. That's so unreadable. I'm trying to understand this one because I'm going to jump to do some easier ones just because I think the technical that I have is going to be a little bit less than this. So I want to like practice what I'm actually going to be using. If the robber can steal from at least K houses with a capability of X, then he can also do so with any capability greater than X. Conversely, if he cannot steal from K houses with capability X, so if he cannot steal. Okay. Did you get any feedback on the interview? Not the Wednesday one, but I had a behavioral one today from a guy in my that came in like the comment section, and that actually went pretty good. So I should have a technical interview for that one next week. Because today was just behavioral. Dude, that's real. It's almost like I tried to create a network, and now I have created said network. How does he do it? Alright, yeah, I'm not going to waste more time on this one. Do a different binary search one. What have I not done in a while? I did a 2.1 in a long time, actually. I kind of forget the basic. Do I forget the basic 2-pointer? That's the one like. So I'm sad because I can only hop on live against now. I mean, Caesar, it's like, dude, it's to be expected. Like, I'm surprised you're even here now. I appreciate it. I mean, hopefully, like, there won't be many more streams. As like bad as that sounds, hopefully there won't be that many. Sooner or later. Hopefully. Alright. Given an integer array num sorted in ascending order, remove the duplicates in place such that each element appears only once. The relative order of the elements should be kept the same, then return the number of unique elements in nums. Okay. So is it pretty much just going to be like a lot of swaps? Because like you'd... Or would that be swaps? Because obviously you want to move the non-uniques over to the right. So which makes two-pointer like significantly. But then does that fuck up the ordering? That might fuck up the ordering. So how would I do it on this? So I have this at my left pointer, at my right pointer. And it's like, do I check if left is... If left is unique, like push left. I need like a bigger example, actually. I don't know why my brain's like not working tonight, but this is not good. Oh man, what? So if we have our left and our right, like we see that this is, I think that's unique, so we're fine. This is not unique, and our right stays here, so then we could swap to here. 4 goes there. But how does this ordering happen, actually? He drawn? How might be drawn? Or do we do like... Is it a different type of two-pointer? Fuck, why do I like not understand this? It's easier. This is bad. This might be bad. Is it like you continually swap down? Like do we swap these? And then it become 1, 0. And then we would swap these. then the 1 is there. Actually, I think that might work. Do I think that'll work? I feel like I like min heaps and I like graphs. I don't really like dynamic programming. And quite often these like really easy problems are like just like shitting on me, which is bad. Wait, no. Because we want to be swapping these, right? Did I confuse which one's left and which one's right? I might have. If we loop over this, we swap these two, it doesn't matter. We then will increment our right and this, so then they'll swap. We'll then increment our right. Oh no, we'll only do the swap if they're not equal. Yeah. Yeah, I did mix up. Okay, so this should be left and this should be right. So if the one at the right is not equal to the one at the left, yeah, then we'll cause the swap for the right one to become the left one and increment this. What? What am I supposed to be returning? Oh, an int. Return K. Oh, so it would be R. Oh, this is L. Fuck. Right? Yeah. Yeah, because R is the one that's continually moving. Yeah. And then I return L. No? Of course not. Why? This should swap. We're setting L. Dude, what am I doing? For the one time, please. Fuck me. Alright, that did not give me the most confidence, so we're gonna run it back. Given two strings, word 1 and word 2, merge the strings by adding letters in alternating order, starting with word 1. If a string is longer than the other, append the additional letters onto the end of the merge. How is this a two-pointer? Am I crazy? Like, I'm in the category of two-pointer, right? Oh my god, there's my girlfriend. Okay. Like, how is this? Because why could you not just iterate until like the min of their lengths? Maybe it's just like not efficient. I'm probably missing some speed up here is realistically why it's too... Like that has to be the speed up. Because it's just too simple. I guess we should do... I'll figure out why I'm a dumbass after. I guess, yeah, just do it in one loop. Dude, what is this syntax? You're only supposed to use an underscore when you don't use the variable. So stupid. I still don't know how that's 2 pointers. That just isn't 2 pointers. I just did like disagree. Unless... Like, why would you even keep 2 pointers? I just don't understand. It just doesn't make sense. Alright, I'm gonna do like 1 or 2 more leetcode problems. I think I'm only gonna do leetcode tonight. Is that true? Do I believe that? I probably should, realistically. I should just be prepping the next couple of days. I shouldn't be jumping around, to be honest. I should just pick one and... where they equal 0. Okay. So with this one, it seems like we could like manipulate it to be 2-sum, but with 2 pointers. Right? Oh, come on. But where do we keep our pointers? I guess we could do like a left. So we do a left and a right. The left that iterates, yeah, maybe. So it's kind of got to be n squared, I think. Just to generate the combos. Is that true? Do I believe that? Wait, no, because then when are we actually looking at it? No, this is just wrong. Because it's... Because you can't do it that way, because you need to like store the pairs as like the target goes to that. But I think we might need to sort the array. Just because we need to know if we go up or down, if that's gonna help us or not. Like, it's not binary search, but God, this seems so much easier than it should be. Or no, it seems like it should be easier than this. I hate this one. Yeah, it's not doing me many favors right now. Actually, I feel like, okay, we're gonna initially go over so we have that. And then you want to loop. I'm going to stick with the 2 for loops. Just treating it as a target. Yeah, probably. I mean, what I'm imagining right now is just try to treat it like twosome in way of we initially, like, this is like our target type of thing, where the number matches to the indice, and then we're going over all other 2 pairs, checking that value, seeing if the sum of that, seeing if their sum multiplied by -1 is in the mapping. And if it is, then we return it. That's what I'm trying to think about, the duplicate triples. Like, you always could just have a set. But no, you can't hash. You could hash tuples because they're immutable. Or no, because -1, 0, and 1 and 0. Fuck. Okay. Yeah. Duplicates are going to be a little bit annoying. Might want to think how to reduce it to 2 sum 2. I mean, dude, I'm trying. I'm just bad. Like, fuck, I'm so ass at these problems. No bueno. No bueno. Because I'm also like, in the back of my head, I'm like, this is not going to use 2 pointers, or at least in the 2-pointer aspect like that I think of, where you like have a converging L and R. God, my brain, I need to start streaming earlier in the day. My brain is just, I just want to go to bed. So if we sort the nums, actually, I feel like I kind of understand the 2-pointer now. If we sort them, sorting them kind of has offered some clarity here. I am 20. Or wait, we would be looking always 2 ahead because we want a full triplet, right? Yeah. And then for, no, while L is less than R, we have nums at L, we have num3 is nums at R, right? And then if it's too big, we move R. If it's too little, we move L. Yeah. Yeah. So if curve is greater than 0, that means we're too big. Well, it wouldn't because we're doing tuples, I think, right? Because they're sorted. I mean, you could also just do like check if here because like this technically skips some. Yeah, because they're sorted now. Oh, fuck. So if cur is greater, we need to move R inwards. If cur is less than, we need to move L upwards. Else we want to append do we have to reset them? Yeah, because we have to continue the traversing. Is it the indices or what am I returning? Indices. So I, L, R. And then L plus equals 1, R minus equals 1. You didn't solve it before, then you got that in the That's hopefully. I gotta return all this, so. Nope. L dot sort, where? Wait, what? Tuple object has no attribute short. That's true. I can't just get rid of this. That's kind of just a legacy. No? Oh, wait, I read it wrong. Is it num1, num2, num3? Ooh, this is bad. What am I doing wrong here? I thought I had it. So I'm missing out on the -1, -1, 2. Oh, because they're the same thing. Which makes sense. If you're skipping the duplicates, why don't you use this set? Yeah, it is. I know, I'm trying to figure that out. Because obviously we don't want to skip this. Oh, but that's how we skip duplicates. This is bad news bears. I feel like I should be way more talkative, but I'm just really tired. What am I missing here? Because I need to skip these duplicates. But also, like, that's just so bad the way you skip duplicates like that. I feel like this is just wrong. Like, what if I... No. Ass. Yeah, that's fair. Damn it. I was hoping I could just like cheese this. I might just look at the solution. I feel like I'm so close, but I'm just like not getting it. And it's really annoying me. What's with the else condition? The else condition. But how? Because when you find a valid one, you should move both, because why would you not move both? Guess you could do like just don't do R. No, fuck it. I'm sorry. I want to go to bed. Remove it while it's a duplicate. Why are we checking if the number is 0? Oh, because I guess you're going to iterate past it. I don't know if I understand this. How does this help find the case of... So if R minus equals, so it does the original logic, and then you're just incrementing L as long as it's still a duplicate. But how does that help us find the -1, -1, 2 case? Actually, that kind of makes sense. Because you'd be skipping that else up top. You want to keep those duplicates in. Alright, not my best. But whatever. Still no? Actually, what? Okay, so what else do I have wrong here? So it wasn't that. It was... Do you have to be checking backwards? Was it that this whole time? That'd actually kind of make more sense. Because you don't want to be checking ahead of yourself, you want to be checking back. Fuck! That was the skip logic. God damn it. Alright, whatever. So I was gonna say, this didn't make much sense, why it would help. All good. Okay, I'm calling it here. Hope everyone has a great day. This has been day 89. Tomorrow we're going to have day 90 with probably more LeetCode. So, gotta do better than this. All right. Have a good night, guys. Ahmed, appreciate you being here, buddy. We'll see you guys. Good night.